Oh, and there's still more down here.
Hey!
I'll explain if we had a birthday party.
There was no actual animals killed in this representation.
Look at you, buddy.
Ah!
You know, honey, we didn't think about the color when we got the cake.
Oh, he just got to buy it. No, I didn't.
I was like,
He wanted
of the
to.
icing?
Yummy, good. That's so good. He's like, I know, I'm on a sugar rush right now.
Get a picture of that belly.
Bye.
Thanks for
Bye.
laying back. That was a perfect shot.
I got my pizza here. Yummy. My pizza cake.
Looks like it's good. Oh.
Here, this is your meal.
But I've been eviscerated.